There are two kinds of lollipop making methods. One is depositor into the tap. The other is the type of die forming. The processing methods of these two methods are introduced below. Automatic PLC control continuous lollipop depositor production line is the production of depositor lollipop equipment. This production line consists of automatic weighing optional, pressure sugar pot, film sugar boiling machine, depositor machine, plunger system, demolding system, and freezer. The production line can produce lollipops of various shapes according to different molds. It is equipped with conveyor belt, cooling system, and stripping mechanism to ensure continuous production and processing of lollipops.
浇筑机配置双料斗，更换分配板和喷嘴就可以生产出来。夹心棒棒糖、双色棒棒糖等。该机器由 PLC 系统控制温度、浇筑速度等。
The dynamic mixer can complete the addition and mixing of auxiliary materials of lollipops. The vacuum film sugar boiling machine is composed of syrup quantitative pump, plate heat exchanger, vacuum film evaporator, water ring vacuum pump, discharge pump, temperature, pressure, and other measuring instruments and electrical control box, etc. Sugar lollipop die forming production line is the production equipment of sugar lollipop die. The machine integrates machine, electricity, gas, and control in one. Automatic production can produce monochrome, double flavor, double color spray flour, double flavor, double color, double layer, 3 flavor, 3 color spray flour, and crystal sugar, candy, xylitol sugar-free lollipop. Sugar lollipop forming production line is equipped with equipment, sugar pot, sugar kneading machine, heat preservation rolling bed, stretching machine, lollipop forming machine, cooling conveyor. The production line is mainly suitable for small batch production needs. The machine is equipped with automatic plunger system, which can realize the automatic operation of the whole line, and the replacement of molds and part of the equipment can be exchanged between the lollipop die production line and the hard candy production line.